Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, I will be showing you the best setup for Asana for small teams. For those who don't have Asana, this is the home website of Asana. This is how their homepage looks like. If you don't have it, please go in the link down in the description below and get the link and sign up for Asana. For those who have it, let's log in and talk about that great strategy. This is Asana's dashboard. This is how it looks. Before I even explain the strategy, I just want to say who is it set up for. It's for small teams who want to achieve consistent work as a collective, working side by side together so that they can get things done without stressing, without overdue tasks, without inconsistent work done, and of course, without without belief in the strategy and in the plan, nothing will get done. This strategy, this setup is for teams who want to take their their tasks and their management to the next level, organizing, getting things done, and consistently keeping track of what they want to do in the future. So I want you straightly to go to projects right here. Scroll, click down to projects. If you don't, it's quite easy. It's just a matter of just pressing this, adding new project and giving it a list, and it's all done. So I want to keep you guys here at key focus. Once you opened your project, of course, the reason why we opened your project is because this is where your team is going to be based on the setup. You can share this you can share this via anyone, via your team, collab anyone that's here. You can share it with them so that they can come and view this project. As you can see, Ronnie's first project. So the first thing is before you even write down even a task, even a thought, I want you to go come to this place here. You will see that there is surely of you. It should be in the first. Let me just create one with you, a new one with you, so that I can show you how it is. So you just create project name, vibes workshop. Just give that automatically. I just created vibes again. So what you can do is the first thing is before you even write anything, I want you to type in your inbox on add section, inbox. Then I want you to add another section. The second one is going to be today, and I want you to add a third one. Done. I'm sorry. So this sets up automatically. You have your inbox where each and every task is going to go here. Whatever task that you have assigned for the team, you're going to write it here. And of course, once you're going to have, let's say you're going to say vibes do videos. Automatically, you have written down the task. It's a situation of sending it to vibes, adding the date when is the date due. It's due today. It's due today. And also, I would just love to add some filters here. Okay, you got the date right there. So once you got the filters right there, so once you come here, you just add priorities. If you go here down below, these are certain features that you can add for your team. There are so many more, but I just want to keep it simple. As long as you have date priorities right here, and I just wanna, I want another one created by, yeah. Automatically, you can see this is created by, this is assigned to Rodley Razor, and it will be created by, of course, run the razor. So automatically you have priority here. Priority simply means how high level it is. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to do this. So you're going to choose between is it high, medium, or low in terms of the task that you are assigning that individual. So since you're giving Vibes a task to do videos, you're going to tell Vibes that this is how high level of priority this is. So when Vibes sees this list, he goes, okay, Vibes do videos. Okay, today it's a medium priority. So he has to be not relaxed, but he has to do it very efficiently. Then you go and you give another team member a task that they have to um, do invoices. You assign the team member's name. You give the date on which the task you want it to be due. Of course, it's created by myself so that they know that this is created by me. Then I give this a level of priority, how high level it is to that certain individual. Automatically, you can see that this is what it is. So once these are all the tasks, once I have them in my inbox, the second step is today. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this task from the inbox, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna throw it in today's, so that an individual when your team comes, they go into this today's section and they see that okay, this is the task that I have today. I was assigned by Rodley, and Vibes has to do invoices. So once Vibes does invoices, he sees that no, this is today's task. Then he does the task. Once the team is done, whoever is responsible will press done and will also just move this task in the done section, so that it symbolizes that we are actually done. With this setup, with a small team, you can move very far, keeping track of what's getting done, keeping track of what's getting done today, and how much work is left to get done. So, with this system, it will help people to move, especially small teams here at Asana. You get to move very fast. For content, this is how we approach the same approach here at LemTask, whereby we schedule daily task effortlessly with execution on top. This is the home task homepage right here. This is where you sign up and sign in. If you don't have an account, please put in your name, email, password, and if you have a promo code, you just insert it here and you create an account. For those who do have, let's log in. For those who is your first time here at LemTask, welcome. This is the dashboard. This is how it looks. The dashboard is very great because the dashboard helps us to actually stay focused on what have we been doing. It gives us a very good track record of how much work have we been completing, how much productivity will we taking on, how much is our momentum, how much tasks do we have left, how many incomes, how many inboxes. So basically, it also gives you a trend and a weekly summary of how many tasks have you done, so that you keep track of the consistent doing that you're doing to take over your task and getting things done and executed. So without further ado, let's go to Brain Dome. This is a very great feature that comes with five features. I would say in edition six. I will tell you what's the sixth one. It's a very surprise. You can type your sections right here by just typing any task as usual. You can import any file that you want here. You can paste a transcript right here based on what you want to put here. You want to upload a CSV on a Google Sheet to make sure that it turns into your task, or you want to paste an audio that also helps you to turns this into a task also. But the one that I love the most is the voice one. It's right here. The voice section is very good. It helps me a lot to schedule my things much faster, much easier without no hassle of typing. Working with my team today. So automatically I just told it that. I just extract it, I just give it a date. Automatically, you see the reason why I said today in the voice note, it's because actually I wanted just to get the date right. If I say today, it'll literally get it right. So I'm working with my team. Then I just situate the time, then I just give it a priority of its low, high, medium. Then I just choose its high because it is high when it comes to my team. Then I accept. Then I just add my task like that. That's how quick, efficient I schedule my task here at LemTask. And this has been a very great breather for me because automatically I by just using my voice I just scheduled a meeting with my team today at a particular time, and because it's this one that's going to be due right now, as you can see it's due in 2 hours and 52 minutes. It tells me when I have to do my task. After completing it, I just give it a tick, then I get my beautiful 10 points for my consistency of work done. Then that's it. A setup will always help you to get things done. This setup is easy, efficient, and will help you for small teams who are using Asana. If you love this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to put the notification bell. Thank you all. See you next time.